Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your travel insurance with Allianz Travel, detailed guide step by step clearly. To scale your travel insurance with Allianz Travel, start by assessing your current travel habits. Identify the destinations you visit most frequently. Consider the length of your typical trips. Evaluate the types of activities you engage in while traveling. Visit the Allianz Travel website to explore their various insurance plans. Look for the section dedicated to travel insurance options. Compare the different plans available, focusing on coverage details. Pay close attention to key features like trip cancellation, medical coverage, and lost luggage protection. Select a plan that best aligns with your travel needs. For frequent travelers, consider an annual travel insurance policy. Annual plans can offer more extensive coverage at a lower cost per trip. Next, personalize your policy by adding any necessary riders. These may include coverage for adventure sports or additional medical benefits. Once you've selected your plan, gather all necessary documentation. This may include your travel itinerary, flight information, and any pre-existing condition details. Proceed to the purchase page and input your information accurately. Review the policy details and ensure everything meets your expectations. Once confirmed, make the payment to finalize your policy. After purchasing, download and save your policy documents. Keep them accessible for easy reference during your travels. Understand how to file a claim by reading the claims procedure outlined by Allianz. Familiarize yourself with the customer support options available through Allianz Travel. If any questions arise, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Finally, stay informed about updates and changes in policy terms as you travel. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your travel insurance with Allianz Travel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.